Hi, my name's Anthony Parkinson from Ansell Lighting, and this is the Reef Polycarbonate range. The Reef range includes bi-directional wall lights, downlights and adjustable downlights. Specifically designed for their outdoor use, with a polycarbonate housing it is both tough and durable. The full polycarbonate housing provides superior corrosion resistance, making it ideal for fitting in coastal areas. The bi-directional wall light is IP65 rated, whilst the surface downlight is IP54 rated. The whole Reef range has a unique bracket fixing. The Reef downlights are designed with ease of installation in mind. The new fixtures have a twist lock mounted bracket, allowing for neat and speedy fitting. The whole Reef range has a selectable CCT. The non-dimmable downlight is available in multiple wattages and 3 CCT options. The CCT switch on the adjustable is on the rear of the head. The CCT switch on the downlight is inside the body. And the CCT switch on the up and down light is again inside the body. The 3 CCT options are 3K for warm white, 4K for cool white and 6K for daylight. The Reef directional and bi-directional wall lights are now available with OCTO connected by WiZ functionality. Both are tunable white between 2700 and 6500K via the WiZ App and voice control, as well as giving you the ability to create schedules and connect other smart devices in your home directly from your smart device. All products in the Reef range are now available in both black and white colour finishes.